the braids here. Hello everybody, welcome to Veena's Beauty Tips. I am Veena and today let's see how to make a Dutch braid and decorate it with some butterfly hair clips. So I am going to first use this. So I'm going to use leave-on conditioner to take out all my knots. I'm going to use a dime size of the leave-in conditioner and apply it on my hair and not on my scalp. Comb through. Now it has become nice and soft. It has become nice and soft, and I am it's all tangle free. I'm ready to make the Dutch braid now. I'm going to separate my hair from my back. Bring both of them together in the front. Start making a Dutch braid. Make sure all the knots are removed while doing so. Take a section of hair. Big 1, 2, and 3. To go to the top, just take a section. Only I'm taking it from my right side, leaving my bangs. The hair, you see just that one hair, and the last one, just take a small section. That one hair will get stuck somewhere. Okay, now I have reached the towards my ear. I'm going to make a 3 braided hair now. So from here I take and start doing a 3 braided hair. I have not reached completely the end. There is still long hair, but I am going to stop it here. So it's like this. So this is a nice design. I'm going to do the same on the other side as well, and I'll get back. Ready? Same on the other side. Both the braids are ready. Now we'll just bring them together and back. Take a little section of the hair on the front. Same on this side. From here, so just going to place it. We will need felt paper. This is actually a felt paper. Cut a strap like so. Take a butterfly and take its measurement. I have taken some shining hairpins here. Taken some pink color and I'm going to insert this into the. You can take hairpin of your choice. Butterfly, and you have our butterfly hair clip is ready. So these are the clips. These are some lovely and shining clips that we made. So this is a finished look. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it and showing it to you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please do share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching Veena's Beauty Tips. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.